Once again, very good morning to students. Now we're discussing about question number 13. I write it down the question on the board. First of all, we go through the question. Then we have to make P&L appropriation account here. So, okay. Here, two partners are there, Lata and Mamta. Capital Lata is 3 lakh rupees and Mamta's capital is 2 lakh rupees. Okay. Profit is given there 2,26,440 before allowing interest on partners loan. Okay. If interest on loan is given there, it will be given in P&L account. So you have, if you have to give manager commission or interest on partner loan, so we have to make first of all P&L account. We have to pay interest on loan or manager commission, and the rest of the profit will transfer to P&L appropriation account. Okay. You have to pay interest on capital to the partner 7% per annum. You have to pay salary to Lata 2,500 rupees per month. Mamta loan being given then 80,000 rupees. Okay, and interest on loan for the whole year have to be paid. Then you have to calculate interest on loan, that will be calculated in P&L account. Okay, the percentage of loan interest on loan is not given there, and we assume, as we have studied in partnership bid, the interest on partners loan will be assumed 6% per annum. Okay, that means you have to pay 6% per annum interest on Mamta's loan. Okay. Next one is interest on drawing is given 8% per annum. You have to charge interest on drawing from the partner. It is 8% per annum on the drawing amount. Per annum what is given there, then 6 upon 12 will be used. Amount of drawing is given there, Lata 36,000 rupees and Mamta 48,000 rupees. Okay. Another point is given there, 1/10 of the distributable profit transferred to general reserve. Means 1/10 of the distributable profit you have to transfer to general reserve. That will also come to the debit side of P&L appropriation account. Means 1/10 of the distributor means after paying all the things, whatever left profit is there, 1/10 of that. If it question says 1/10 of the net profit, then we calculate on the total profit. But it says 1/10 of the distributable profit means profit minus whatever you have to pay to the partner, whatever is left now, 1/10 of that will be transferred to general reserve. Profit sharing ratio is given in the question 70-30, or we can say 7-3. Okay. So here what we have to do, first of all we have to make P&L account. We made it P&L account for the date 31 March 2018. The profit is given before allowing interest on partner loan is 2,26,440. That is being come to the credit side by profit. And then we pay interest on Mamta loan. How much? 6% of 80,000. It comes 4,800 rupees. We add this figure minus the figure, whatever there. This is the remaining profit that will go to the P&L appropriation account. Then profit will come here by P&L account profit 2,26,640. Okay. Now what do you have to the partner? Pay to the partner. It will come to the debit side. First of all, the question say you have to pay interest on capital. So interest on capital, Lata and Mamta 21,000, 14,000 capital amount, 7% of the capital amount. It comes 35,000 rupees. Then you have to pay salary 2,500 to Lata per month. To salary Lata 2,500 into 12, because the per month salary it will multiply with 12, 30,000 rupees. Okay. After that, you have to transfer 1/10 of the distributable profit. Before this, you have to charge interest on drawing 8%. It will come to the credit side. By interest on drawing, Lata and Mamta 36,000 into rate of interest 8 upon 100 into 6 upon 12, because per annum what is given there, amount of drawing is given there, date is not being given there. Same for Mamta, 48,000 is the drawing of Mamta into 8 upon 100 into 6 upon 12. So it comes 1,440 for Lata and 1,920 for Mamta. Now we make the total 2,25,000 and minus these figure what we paid. Okay, we minus these figure from that. Then the remaining profit will come. It come 1,60,000 rupees. Okay, that profit will be distributed among the partners in the profit sharing issue. But the question says you have to give 1/10 of the distribution profit to general reserve transfer. So 1/10 of 160, 16,000 transfer to the general reserve, and remaining profit after minusing what is the remaining profit 144. It will be distributed between Lata and Mamta to profit transfer to partners capital account, because capital are not fixed. Lata and Mamta 1,44,000 into 7 upon 10 for Lata and 1,44,000 into 3 upon 10 for Mamta. This comes 1,08,000 rupees for Lata and 43,200 for Mamta. And then the profit being distributed and the question being done. Okay. I hope you understand. Have a good day.